Alright, I'm out here at the Governor's Drive Railroad crossing, which also carries US Highway 431 through it. This is the largest crossing in Huntsville with 7 lanes of traffic. As you can see, because there's 3 lanes heading south, 3 lanes heading north, and a turn lane there, which makes 7 lanes of traffic. And I'm kind of lucky since both signals have the exact same equipment. And as you can see, the road here is kind of busy. I'm just going to see the northbound train is visible yet. Nope, not yet. But anyways, as you can see, this road's quite busy, so I'm not gonna cross the street here. But I'm quite glad that both signals have because of this, I'm quite glad both signals have pretty much the exact same equipment. So on the first signal here, we're gonna look at it's a cantilever, as you can see. It's a Harmon cantilever. Then we have the emergency information. See dot numbers 352-978G in this at Governor's Drive. And just checking the line here. And then the mast lights here are Harmon 12x24" lights with Harmon fading LEDs in them. There's a close-up of one of the LEDs. There's a close-up of another LED. There's the back of the light head showing the Harmon logo. And then the overhead lights are 4 more pairs of the exact same lights. Harmon 12x24" lights with Harmon fading LEDs. There's a close-up of 1 pair where you can see the Harmon LEDs on them. There's a close-up of one of the LEDs. And right in there you got the, can't really see it here, but there's a Harmon logo on the back of that light. And the bell on this signal is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. And the other signal here is pretty much the exact same. It's got 6 pairs of Harmon 12x20. It's a Harmon cantilever with the, I'm gonna wait for these trucks to pass. But it's a Harmon cantilever. I'll zoom in the best I can. As you can see there, it's a Harmon cantilever with, there's the emergency information. The mast lights are Harmon 12x24" lights with Harmon fading LEDs in them. There's close to one of the LEDs, 2 of the lights there, 1 pair of them. One of which, as you can see, is missing a visor. That's pretty much the only difference between the 2 signals. Then you got the overhead lights, which are 4 more pairs of Harmon 12x24" lights with Harmon fading LEDs. There's close up of the LEDs on those lights. And there's close up of the back of those lights where you can kind of see the Harmon logo. And then we got another General Signals Type 2 electronic bell on that signal. So yeah, and over here, I'm going to show the track views now. Oh, you can actually just you can see the train coming just barely, it's coming up the hill there. You can just barely see the top of the headlamp on 8527 down there. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going to show that a little bit longer so you can see it better, hopefully. But yeah, so it is coming now. But anyways, that way is looking south towards Rocket, which is Green Cove Road, and Hobbs Island. And that way is looking north towards downtown Huntsville along the HMCR's line. And also and right over there is the relay case with the dot tag on it, as you can see. And one more look at that's under the side, by the way. But there's another look at 8539 as it approaches. At 8527 as it approaches. You can just kind of see it down there. So yeah. And also a bit of a fun fact about the HMCR, they're looking at possibly buying the branch line out there in Cortland from Norfolk Southern, so kind of hope that actually does happen. Would be neat to see. I don't know how they would switch it though, since they're here in Huntsville and that's all the way over in Cortland. But yeah, here's the Governor's Drive Railroad crossing in Huntsville, Alabama on US 431. Over and out.